16th of August. The Seabird's Cry. 'Tis harsh to hear, from ledge or peak, The sunny cormorant's tuneless shriek. Fierce songs they chant, in pool or cave, Dark wanderers of the western wave. Here will the listening landsman pray For memory's music, far away. Soft throats that nestling by the rose Soothe the glad rivulet as it flows. Cease, stranger, cease that fruitless word, Give eve's hushed bow to woodland bird. Let the winged minstrel's valley note, 'Mid flowers and fragrance, pause and float. Here must the echoing beak prevail, To pierce the storm and cleave the gale, To call, when warring tides shall foam, The fledgling of the waters home. Wild things are here of sea and land, Stern surges and a haughty strand. Sea monsters haunt yon caverned lair, The mermaid wrings her briny hair. That cry, those sullen accents sound Like native echoes of the ground. Lo! he did all things well who gave The sea bird's voice to such a wave. Reverend Robert Stephen Hawker, Vicar of Morwenstow, 1803 through 1875.